please subscribe to the channel, it is free. The first Gripen-E for the Brazilian Air Force flew first time in Brazil on September 24, 2020. The aircraft arrived on a ship in the port of Navegantes, where it was offloaded and moved by road under strict surveillance to the local airport. After a taxi test on the runway of Navegantes Airport, the F-39, as it will be designated by the Brazilian Air Force, flew to the Embraer facility in São Paulo State, where a Gripen Flight Test Center has been established to continue the flight test program.
Today we started up the aircraft and ran some built-in tests. We also did a bunch of test points to make sure that the aircraft is ready for flight. I expect the flight to run smoothly. Everything so far has been going perfectly as planned, so I hope it will continue that way. After arriving at Gavião Peixoto, we will start to set the ground for the flight tests that will be conducted here in Brazil. And we'll continue flying as much as possible, as soon as possible. It will be great taking off with the aircraft for the first time and have a good Brazilian airflow over the wings.
For the Brazilian Air Force Commander, Antônio Carlos Moretti Bermudez, the arrival of the first F-39 Gripen aircraft is a major milestone for the project. It is an immense satisfaction for the Brazilian Air Force to see this aircraft flying on national territory. The F-39 Gripen, the new Brazilian Air Force multi-mission aircraft, will be backbone of fighter aviation, and it reaffirms the Brazilian Air Force commitment to maintaining the country's sovereignty and to defend the 23 million square kilometers under its responsibility. The flight testing to be performed by Embraer in Brazil will be fully integrated with the one started by SAAB in 2017. According to the press release, the Brazilian tests will include testing of the flight control system, environmental control system, and the behavior of the aircraft in tropical climate conditions, other than the testing of Brazilian specific systems, such as the encrypting link BR2 communication system and VPN integration. The president and CEO of Embraer Defense and Security, Jackson Schneider, explained the extension of this partnership. Embraer will play a leading role in the execution of the Gripen program in Brazil and will be responsible for system development, integration, flight testing, final assembly and delivery of the aircraft in support of Brazilian Air Force operations. In terms of technology transfer, the Gripen is a great opportunity to increase our knowledge in the development and manufacturing of advanced combat aircraft. The official presentation of the first F-39 is scheduled to take place during the Aviators Day and the Brazilian Air Force Day ceremony in Brasilia next month on October 23rd. While the first production aircraft will be delivered to the Air Force by the end of 2021 at Wing 2nd in Goiás State. Next year, SAAB will also complete the delivery of the first aircraft built in Sweden, and Embraer will begin the local assembly of the final 15 aircraft that will be delivered from 2023. The partnership with Brazil began in 2014 with a contract for the development and production of 36 aircraft. 28 Gripen-E and 8 twin-seat Gripen-F for the Brazilian Air Force, after 10 years of negotiation, which left the Boeing and Dassault defeated.